All right. This AK Garage, AK.Garage once again. So this video is okay. I have a question to ask you. What types of oil are you using? And do you know that the type of oil you are using is the cause of engine damage of your car? Yes. Do you know that it's damaging your engine oil small, but you don't know, right? So the types of engine oil, you have the engine oil for the new car, the engine oil for the old car. So engine oil for Honda cars, yes, Honda cars. So you can see the specialist effects of the cars, and then the engine oil that you're supposed to use, especially Honda cars, and then the older cars. But some customers get into a service center to change their oil, right? And they prefer the synthetic, right? Fully synthetic oil, either diesel or petrol, fully synthetic oil. And then a newer car to fully synthetic oil. But have you cross-checked your old car, your old car, and then the new car? So if it is new car, this is the type of engine oil you're supposed to use. It's a new car. As we check the manual manufacturer recommended, as manufacturer recommended, they recommend this type of oil for you as if the car is new. But when it gets old, you're supposed to know the types of oil you have to use for the old engines or old cars. So the new cars, you have to get fully synthetic oil. Yes, recommended by the manufacturer. Fully synthetic oil is the fully synthetic oil has a low viscosity, right? Low viscosity and it's tiny because it's why is it that you have to use fully synthetic? Because synthetic is lighter, yes, it's tiny. And then the new oil, there is the space about the mechanism of the engines. It's not too much wide. It's close, joining together. So the friction of it, yes, it's okay. So you have to use the synthetic one because it's lighter and then it's really have frictions, right? Reduce that frictions. So you have to use a fully synthetic one. And a fully synthetic oil is one is 0W20. You have the 0W20, and then for the new cars engines, you have to use 0W20, right? 0W20 for your new car, that it can help your engine to stand firm or keep long. So we want your car last long as a new car, use 0W20 for your new engine as the manufacturer recommended for you. Follow it in your car. Don't be mistaken and use that thicker oil for the new car because it creates too much friction of the engine. But old engines supposed to use thicker oil. That is 5W30. You have the or 10W40, which helps seal the older engines because at that time the friction has caused some wear about to the some part of the engine inside the engine. So if you use the thicker oil for the engine, it seal the gaps. Where it wears, it fill that gaps to make your engine run smoothly or run correctly for you without making noise or all sorts of noise to your car. And you thought your engine is no good, but because it's old, you're supposed to use that thicker oil. That's 10W40 and 5W30 for your car oil. That's the old for old cars. And then the new car is 0W20 for the new car. And then we have the new car. Sometimes the heavy cars, yes, the heavy cars too supposed to use thicker oil, not fully synthetic, because some oil they write fully synthetic. If it's fully synthetic, please your old car avoid fully synthetic, but buy normal one, the thicker one. They always write synthetic, yes, but you have to check the number. 5W30 is constant there, and then 0W20 is constant there, and then 10W40 is constant there. So the old one, 10W40, and then 5W30 is for old cars. And then the 0W20 is the for new car, that is fully synthetic. So when you are driving in a mass or highways driving, yes, when we're driving highways or some place too is hot, the climate is hot, so it's considered to use thick oil. That is the 10W40 and then 5W30 for your car, as that climate. Some countries, yeah, the climate is hot. Sometimes it is hot. So if it is hot, you're supposed to use the 5W30 or 10W40 for it. That is thicker oil for your car. But when the climate is cool and your engine is new, it's 0W20 for the new car. And then as an old car, please don't switch to typical synthetic. Don't switch to typical synthetic as old car. It will damage your car. You thought fully synthetic is good and quality oil. Yes, it's good and quality oil, but it's not good for your engine. It's rather damage your engine, collapse your engine, condemn your engine because of the thinner and the frictions, right? So you're supposed to get the thicker ones, and then as we get to the or as we go to aspect of Honda cars, yes, Honda cars, when it's new car, is supposed to use 0W20 for the Honda car. That's a new car. Honda car is new, brand new car. The engine is new. Use fully synthetic. That's 0W20. Yes, 0W20. But if it is old, you're supposed to use 5W20. The new car, 0W20, 0W16 as manufacturer recommended for you. New car, brand new car in Honda, as Honda cars, use 0W20, 0W16, right? So that it prolong or give you the last span of your engine and you enjoy your car very long. And to cut down cost of servicing, changing engine, servicing this one has spoiled, engine noising. Yes, don't use thicker oil for them, but rather use thinner one, the lighter one that has low viscosity. But the Honda cars, old ones, supposed to use 5W30, right? 5W30 for the Honda cars. 5W30 for Honda cars. So when you're using Honda and your car, you know how Honda car is expensive and good. So you want to use synthetic when it got old. Please buy the recommended manufacturer recommended, don't use thinner or lighter oil for old cars in Honda, but rather use the thick ones, that's 5W30 for Honda. So this is Erike Garage. I have more for you, and let's get to specific car that use a specific oil.